Alright, you guys, I'm in a new Five Below. So in this one, they have Kenny. Oh no, Kenny. The Friends coffee, and they also have the turkey. Plenty of LeBron here. And the banana. I guess nobody likes that movie.
Nobody's ripped his head off yet.
The Grinch. Oh, only one left.
Look at the Peter.
These are selling really fast. We have Sully in the back, a Mikey. Yeah, I saw him.
I want the Kenny.
Was that Quidditch, right? Is that what you call it from Harry Potter? Homer is still around. Tina. Vote for Pedro and Garfield. Black Panther. Okay, what do we have? We have Snoopy, you guys. Collectible figures. I really like Peppermint Patty. I like Peppermint Patty. I don't know why. And Linus. Well, I don't know if I like Linus too much. But there's something about Peppermint Patty I love. Oh, look. Cocoa Melons here in Five Below. They're like little, oh, they're not so soft. Like, you know, if they got banged up or chucked around. So this would hurt them. I thought they would squish. They're not, but I mean, it's $5. They have it here. Ooshies. Okay, these are like little squishies. Ben 10. Oh, here's Joker. This is 5. Batman, of course. So maybe like a small stocking stuffer, or maybe Batman could go to Operation Christmas Child. I don't know about Joker, but I do know sometimes they're pretty strict on like figures.
You can send superheroes. They don't want G.I.
Transformers. This show, which I never seen, but a lot of people cosplay it. They have everybody, it looks like, in here. These are 5. Oh gosh, you know everything's 5. Oh, here's Bluey. So it's really funny. A lot of people were kind of making fun of me. Not making fun. Everyone's having fun on TikTok. Because I never heard of Bluey. These are new shows. My kids are older. Oh gosh, I'm dropping stuff. So yeah, my kids grew up with Kylan, which I love Kylan. I wish they continued.
More than 9 episodes.
Obviously Dora, she was on all the time. 64th Zoo Lane, right?
Yeah. I remember
my daughter loved Caillou, which I cannot stand Caillou.
Jake and the Neverland Pirates.
Yeah, Jake and the Neverland Pirates, $5.
Roly Poly Oly.
Imagine X Movers or whatever they're called. Yeah, Imagine Movers. Yeah, so the Doodle Bops.
Oh, I hated those.
What's that other one where they sing?
The Wiggles?
Oh no, the Wiggles, yeah, but
the Fresh Beat Band.
Fresh Beat Band, yeah, so yeah. I'm used to all the old stuff. These are $5 here. Oh gosh, that took me way back. Like Lazy Town was such a good show.
That was a good one. With the original Stephanie. After that,
these are 5. They have Dragon Control 2. Some socks. Okay, cozy socks. They do have the gripper at the bottom. And behind me, it looks like Mario. Look at Donkey Kong. Mario, Luigi. Oh, these are kind of cool if you collect them. So I found this randomly. They're still setting up here. It's Barrels of Monkey Candy Cane Game Edition. So it's a little candy game, and that's kind of cool. And I see more fuzzy socks. These are going to be 2. Same shirt, Stack the Halls. Home Alone today. So this one has Home Alone, Christmas Story. We have the plaid pajama bottoms. Peanut. I do want this. I'm going to look online. I want the sweater version, but I want the Halloween version. Silent Night. I want that. $3.99. It says $3.99 on the sign. We have like Squishy Yum Lollipop Surprise. So that could go in a stocking. These could go in a stocking too. A lot of Venom. Look at Thanos. That's kind of cool. You know what they had? Here we go. Spider-Man, the Hulk, Captain Marvel, Deadpool. So collect them all here. Oh, here's Captain Marvel. How funny. And they even have The Office. Look at Oscar. Oh, poor Oscar. Why they do him like that? Kelly Kapoor. Here's a Black Panther. Oh, you know what? The Black Panther is actually kind of cool.
There's Iron Man.
Oh, Iron Man. I don't know why, but his mask reminds me of one of the characters from Slipknot. I don't know why. Okay, and they did bring out the figures. These are $5. They have a police one. Oh, Deadpool's kind of cool, you guys. He has a taco. That's kind of cool. These are cool collectibles. So these are $5. So what I like about this, they do have one with a mask on. I feel like maybe you could collect that, save one to remember this crap. But these don't have one. Oh, Groot. Oh my gosh. Look at Groot.
Hot Toys made a Venom Groot that looks really cool.
Okay, Play-Doh. These are 10. So Play-Doh, like advent calendar. $10 and you get Play-Doh. Basketball hoop. 6 feet. Okay, this down here is 25. So that's going to cost you a little more. $12. We have foosball. And the canvas, like easel, is 8. And I do have table hockey for 12. So not bad if you have like a game room somewhere in your garage. Keep them busy. And over here is 10. Oh, it's a green screen. Okay, so if you're making videos. They have the star and heart studio light. Those are 10. And then it looks like they're going to put out a telescope. This is 12. The plaid throws are 5. Only see one color. And you know what? These are pretty thick. These are pretty thick. I feel like you could use this for your car too if you do have pets. And, okay, you guys. I'm trying to remember. Poppets. These are 5. Look, we have an elf and a Christmas tree. Oh gosh, what is wrong with me today? Tree.
You overworked.
And then like an ornament. So tons of Christmas poppets. Here's a snowman. It's kind of funny. It's a blue one. He's colorful. And I want to say there's like a duck hidden in here. I'm trying to remember what I put on TikTok and what I'm filming for YouTube. I'm trying to make them different. $3.25. $3.25. They're like little poppet spinners. And then everything here is candy. The candy does look the same. So I haven't seen anything new except for the gummy bears. They're not Christmas. Oh, the peppermint stick is here. Money wallet. We have Santa wallet. Merry and Bright. These are 10. You need ornament hooks, only $1. More stickers and coloring books. What is on this side? Okay, coloring books. Crowns, frisbees. The little plush headphones. Five Below ear piercing. Oh wow, you could book an appointment to get your ears pierced? What? Just $5 per piercing? That's crazy. So they're doing like a Claire's thing, right? Oh gosh, would you guys do that? I know my daughter did Claire's when she was a lot younger. She got an infection only on one ear. She doesn't wear earrings anymore. But I feel like it should be your kid's choice, you know? I never was all for to do it, but that's just me, you know? So I waited till she was like in 1st grade. And she was like, okay, I want to get my ears pierced. Let's see. I'm trying to find, okay, here we go. Here is some makeup kits here. Okay, LA Colors. You know, these are $5. Tons of eyelashes. Nude lip gloss. Nail polish. Tons of nail polish. Eyeshadow lipstick kit. This is going to be hand cream. Tons of hand cream. Bath bombs with a body lotion and a stemless wine glass. Here's a spa facial set. Collagen and lavender. And you know, the thing to roll on your face. Also comes in blue. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. They had this for Halloween. Yeah. So it looks like an advent calendar. Let me turn it around. 12 days of spa. You get an eye mask, collagen and vitamin C, a lip one, like lavender spray, a loofah, so all self-care. And they have like these little bags here. Cherry blossom, wild berry. You get 3 loofahs. A lot of makeup. You know, it's kind of like all the same stuff anyway. Plenty of bath bombs. They're scented. Those are $5. Oh, this is kind of cool. Little strawberry one. Oh, I hope they bring out more. Oh, that's really cool. If you're a lip balm lover, if you love to collect them. DIY hand wash. So it looks like you're gonna like make your own hand wash. You get a scent, bead, sticker, personalize it. More JoJo. Here's a nail set. Some new face masks. Love you cherry much. Happy hollow glaze or hollow glaze. Believe in your elf. And meowy and bright. This is marshmallow scented. They also have like a gingerbread one. So I'm not too sure how these work. I don't use these, but I feel like these are great for, you know, again, kids who love to do stuff like that. Sleepovers, stuff like that. You get 5 in here. Can you believe these are only 5? Glow essentials. And on this set, you get a 10 piece. So you will get, I think, a lot for your buck. You get 10 for 5. You get 5 here for 5. This is a good one. I might walk out with this one. I'll walk out with a few. And down here, these are 5 as well. So this is a beauty bag. But they look almost the same, right? This one's watermelon aloe, pomegranate cucumber clay mask. These are somewhat similar, a little different. These are going to be peel off, and you got a mud mask. Mix in, so they are different. Perfect pout, $4.25. Just be careful because these do fall off your lips. I would go with a lip scrub. Sand slime. You can stretch it. Hey, stocking stuffer. Only $3.25. $3.25, you guys. You get 3 molds. And kinetic sand, another stocking stuffer, $2.25, $4.25. I do have a couple of these at home. I will tell you, they are pretty interesting. I do keep one at work. You know, I want to like rip their legs and arms off. Just be careful your animal doesn't get into it, because you know they're gonna break. They'll bite it. They'll eat it up. We got a cat one. Looks like a cat to me, and a llama. Potato head is $5, same as a Walmart. Alright, you guys, I think this is gonna do it. Oh gosh, look what they have. Remember how we used to do this and put like yellow, blue, and count to 5? These are kind of cool. This is a graffiti vibe. So these are just the playthings, but I remember this.
You have to put your own girl's names in them.
Here's all the poppets. So here's the duck. That's so funny. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because they are stocking. More sensory. So we have peas. Can you peel it? Oh, look, you do. Pinch it. You know, I'm gonna grab one. We have sensory toys, stretch and pop it. And they have multiple colors. And down here, you guys, this I feel like you could DIY. A lot of moms DIY this at home. So, you know, go to the Dollar Tree, get a tub, put rice in it, make colored rice or pasta. Now this, you get like sand, some squishies in there. You know, so this is kind of cool for $5. And I found this over here. Look at this tub. Squishy mochi. You get 18 pieces. So if you're doing stocking stuffers, hey, look at that. Or you just have a kid who loves this stuff, you get 18 for $5. You can't beat that.